Hello everyone, I'm Amber. I'm excited to introduce you to our latest innovation, implanter, the next level in the dental implant motor technology. We understand that dental implantology is a highly demanding field that requires precision and accuracy. That's why we've investing in upgrading our implant motor with the latest hardware and software to ensure that implant surgery is performed with utmost precision and efficiency, providing an exceptional experience for both patients and practitioners. Let's delve into the technical details. When it comes to dental implant procedures, precision and stability are paramount. That's why we've developed a torque maintenance function that allows for real-time torque monitoring during the implantation process. With this feature, once the output torque reaches the preset value, our machine will continue to maintain the torque output, ensuring the implant is placed with the desired torque and the highest level of accuracy. With this innovation function, we can guarantee that the stability of implant and provide our clients with the utmost confidence in this product. In addition, we've added a new feature that displays the peak torque output, allowing operators to assess the highest torque during the operation, confirm the initial stability of the implant, and reduce redundant operations. Implanter also comes with the torque startup automatic calibration function, which we call TSAC. It can automatically calibrate the device's accuracy upon startup. No need for additional manual calibration before each use. When it comes to reliability, we've spared no expense. Implanter is equipped with the 5.5 NCM Swiss motor, coupled with the 20:1 implant control angle, ensuring a maximum output torque of 80 NCM, providing powerful performance to meet different surgical requirements. The LED in the handpiece allows for full visualization of the implantation process, making the operation more efficient. We use German bearings to ensure smoother and longer lasting of the handpiece. And the high precision bending of the handpiece has a runout of less than 20 micrometers, ensuring stable output in complex situations, whether at high or low speeds. Despite its impressive features, implanter is compact and portable, saving space in your practice and allowing you for easy transport. The streamlined interface includes 5 preset programs and automatic parameter saving after each operation, providing a convenient and a comfortable user experience. Finally, we've equipped our product with a versatile foot pedal that greatly enhance flexibility and efficiency during operation. We're thrilled to bring you implanter and can't wait for you to experience the precision, reliability, and simplicity it brings to your practice. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the event.